In front of me is Motorola Moto G41, and let me show you how to hide or show caller ID on this device. So at first, just open your phone dialer, tap on More, and enter Settings. Here you will notice call and accounts right here. Just open and pick Virgin Mobile or any other carrier that you have. Go to Additional Settings then, and click on Caller ID. And here, as you can see, you can change it. So it can be either network default, it can be hidden, so just click on hidden, and from now on your number will not be visible in all outgoing calls, or you can pick show number and it will be displayed just always. So this is it, that will be all. This is how you can manage caller ID. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.